Ladies and gentlemen, and I'm here just to vibe screw. Welcome to the ultimate box braid with coils at the tips tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll either be ready to slay the braid game, or at the very least, you will know how to look busy with a hot comb. But first, are you subscribed yet? No? Hit that button. I'm waiting. Still waiting? Okay, fine. I trust you will subscribe by the end of this video because this tutorial is about to change your hair life. Step 1, we hot comb this hair. Why? Because no one likes their scalp doing the electric slide during braiding, so we are hot combing it. Smooth hair equals less pain. People, now if you're using a hot comb for the first time, don't be scared. It only bites if you let it. Okay, let's get into braiding. The key here is precision. Think of your parts like slices of cake, clean, straight, and so good you could eat them. If you mess up, no worries, just tell people it's freestyle and keep going. Now as you braid, remember to keep your grip tight, but not too tight that someone calls 911 for your scalp. We want beauty, not a lawsuit. Also, please don't be that person who says it doesn't hurt while crying internally. Be honest with yourself. Drink some water and stretch those hands. This is a marathon, not a sprint. So continue braiding in same fashion, making a clear, precise, straight path like so. Be consistent in your braiding pattern. Don't come and braid snake like this thing there. You braid consistently. There's what we call precision. You braid in a consistent manner, then it comes out very straight and precise. So continue in this manner till the whole hair is done. Then I will see you at the coiling part.
I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we rotate, fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we rotate, fade, fade away?
So at a point, I divided the front off camera and took some part out of the front. So that's what it's been braided now.
you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running out of time. No way I'd let you say goodbye.
Here, start trimming. Trimming is like the most, I won't say, but like it's one of the most important thing in hair making. After making any hair, it's good to trim it. I don't trim like in 2s or 3s. Some people just trim randomly. I trim every braid. Now that we have conquered the braid jungle, it's time to coil the tips. This is where the magic happens. First, grab your hot comb again and smooth out the remaining hair. Why? Because coils don't like chaos. They like order. You hot comb the hair, then start trying bantu knots. See this? Bantu knots. They are cute, stylish, and more importantly, they give you those springy coils that make people say, "Is that all you, sis?" Spoiler alert, it's not, but they don't need to know that. Make sure you trim the bantu knot also to take off any extra hair. It helps make the coils to be sleek. These bantu knots are taking a hot bath, but don't forget to protect your neck with a towel. No one has time for boiling water burns. Safety first, slay second. Towel dry it and blow dry it. Then you can start hyping them as you go. You all, look at these coils peeking through. I see you guys. You're looking fabulous already, and you haven't even been unleashed yet. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for, the drum roll, please. Ta-da! Look at this box braid with coils. They are bouncy, shiny, and giving everything they are supposed to give. Finally, baptize your braids with oil sheen. Sprinkle it like holy water. This keeps the roots moisturized and the coil is popping. Now go ahead and rock these braids like you're walking on the wrong way, even if it's just to the fridge. If you're still watching, you're officially a hair MVP. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who needs this glow up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you even doing? Join the family. Join the family now. Until next time, stay slaying and stay moisturized. Bye.
Baby, I'ma be there through the rough parts of it all. Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you leave.